In this video, I'm going to install a light switch on the side of this microwave so I can turn on and off the light bulb inside. On the back of the microwave, there's two Phillips head screws, and then there's these security screws that you have to have a special bit. I've got this little tool kit, and the bit is called a T20 bit. In the comments and description, I'll have a link to this tool kit. And the shell comes off. Here's the inside of the microwave. Under here is the light bulb. This is the socket. And I'm going to remove one side and see if the microwave still works with the light bulb unplugged. Plugged in the microwave. It's showing 0 watts. I'm going to open the door. Normally the light bulb would come on, but it's off because it's unplugged. It's showing like 0 to 1 watts. So, but I have my multimeter plugged into the light bulb socket, showing 124 volts. Going to heat up a little bit of water. Yeah, I can tell it's warm. I can feel it. Yeah, it works. So my initial testing shows that this will work. So I'm going to wire this in on this wire of the light bulb socket. And I strip the ends of the wire. Now I'm going to figure out about where I need to cut the hole on the shell. I made this little cardboard template. Using a Dremel tool with these things called heavy-duty cutoff wheels. Going to solder on some extension wires onto the back of the switch, and also use some heat shrink tubing. Now I put the shell back on the microwave, and I connect the light wires with a small wire nut. Got it all reassembled, and with the light on, it uses about 19 watts. And if I turn it off, it's down to 0 watts. So there's two reasons I installed that light switch. For one, when I cook something, I like to leave the door open to let the steam and humidity dissipate. And while that's going on, I can turn the light off and I don't waste 20 watts of electricity. So after I heat something up, I'll turn off the light and leave the door open for 5 or 10 minutes to let the steam and humidity dissipate so no rust develops in the microwave. And the second reason is for when I run this microwave on my solar powered generator. This is a Jackery 1000. Right now I've got the light bulb on and it's showing 24 watts. On here it's showing 16 watts. Set it to power level 4 for 2 minutes. On here, it's showing 750 watts about. Here it's about 750. So now I'm going to turn the light off. So now it's showing 730. So that's about 20 watts lower. Same here, it's about 20 watts lower. So it's less of a draw. The light bulb isn't important when running on the solar powered generator.